Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have this Ruko lock for you. It's a 6-pin lock. Here's the key. The bidding is not that challenging, but still it's quite a tricky pick. The keyway is more or less wide open. It's not really paracentric. Still I like to use a relatively thin hook to escape and pick from here from time to time because the pins are really high, and if anything else you tend to touch the pins, and the pin I think 1, 2, 3 is almost a zero lifter. So yeah, let's put it in a vise and get picking. So works very nicely. Really love this key. Yeah, Ruko is a Danish company owned by Sapler now, and yeah, they have very nice security pins also, I think, in here. We'll see hopefully in a moment. Let's see. Starting from the back. On pin 6, some clicks. Pin 5, pin 4. Back on 5. The front 1, 2. It's really a back and forth with these. Pin 5. And a good core movement. It either means it's picked or just ran through the spool part or into the spool part of these nice barrel pins shown here. So let's see. 1 feels good, 2, I don't know. 3 is okay, maybe. 4 feels good. 5. No, I leave 5 now. 6. So definitely picked it a bit, but don't know if it's set yet. Feels better than before. Aha, got it open. I think I didn't set 6 before correctly. Yeah, cool. Oh no, now I have to remove the C-clip. Oh, this is so annoying with these. Nasty C-clip. So let's get them. Pinning shoe. Get the core out. Yeah, really nice. And get my front follower. Let's see. Whoa. Oh. I'm sorry, just pushed out 2 at the same time. So I will have to check where goes what. Maybe I should get a real front follower at some point. Okay, this is chamber 4. Super strong springs in here. Chamber 3. Chamber 2. Man, they jumped just right out. I guess these are steel springs. And chamber 1. Okay. Oh, I didn't show you the pins, right? They're jumping at me. Let's take this one from either chamber 5 or 6. It's like the typical Asa or Ruko barrel pin, I don't know. They have this sharp lip here. It catches quite onto this serrations you have in the core. Yeah, it's not like the gins they also have. I didn't have the pleasure to pick one of those yet, but yeah, they're really fun to pick. Like this one is now at the thick part, then you go into the thin part like a spool, catch on this lip, and then you easily overset into the key pin. And as you can see, all I think are active, even the long one in the third chamber. Yeah, but I think that's directly in the thin part of this very tiny spool or barrel pin. So let's get the key pins out. And arrange them for you. Yeah, so these are the key pins. They're all standard but steel. So I guess for anti-drill, and yeah, for all the pins, the driver pins are all barrel pins. Very nice. Let's still have a look at the core. Yeah, each of the chambers has this barrel pin milling. That's just like a serration. That gives you all the clicks when you're picking. And for the core, yeah, you still have a sidebar. I don't know for what reason actually. The core is not made to equip for a sidebar. Also you have drill protection here. So overall a very secure lock, I would say. Bitting could be better though. Anyhow, that's all I have for you today. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.